Yeah, we got Cook Neon Sign in here today. Yeah, we kind of made a bad mistake, didn't we? They kind of run the boom out, didn't run the cable out, and broke the cable off. It happens to the best of us. So we're gonna get her cut off and get the hook put back on there, get them back on his way. One of them fun latch kits to put on. Is that a rivet one or is that a bolt one?
This is a bolt one.
The rivet one come off, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we'll get it all fixed up. Oh, Steven got that radio blaring over there. You know how that goes. They're gonna get me in trouble with YouTube, ain't he? Let's see what we got here. Yep, I'd say that's a pretty good break right there. Like somebody dented that side panels in over at one time, don't it? Up there by above the welder.
Oh yeah.
Can't have nothing, can you? Well, instead of replacing it, or instead of fixing it, they're gonna replace it. So we're gonna jump up there and get this taken care of. So what we gotta do, we gotta drive this wedge out of here. It's a wedge system. And no, I don't like heights. I don't like being up on top of stuff. I ain't got the balance anymore I used to have. Let me forget my camera up here.
Oh yeah.
All right, pull it out. So Chuck was out yesterday all day. He said he was sick, but I think he was on the lake all day. I think he was fishing.
I wish.
I think he might have been fishing. If he wasn't, he should have been. Because you know when you're feeling bad, Chuck, going fishing makes you feel better.
Yeah.
It does.
I have a Haven grip to pull these wire rope slings in. However, I sold it and had forgotten to reorder one and bring it back in the building. What we use is a come along and hook the Haven grip to the wire, and it helps us pull on the wire a little bit better. But we got it.
Yeah, we having problems. Can't get that wedge seat right. Pull! All right, y'all give it one good yank. All right. It's good. Now, y'all just stand there for a minute. Hey, let's run this winch. That helped right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this winch to where I can get this bar back in here and drive that thing in a little bit more.
Okay.
So come down a little the other way. I hold right there. Come back up a little. Right there. All right, y'all pull on it again. I'll run it back this way a little bit. Other way. All right. Yank it. Put her up. All right, hold right there. Hand me that handle back. Should have hung on to it. All right, ease it up. All right, go ahead. It's an easy process, but I was missing that one point that I normally don't need. Because we don't solve that problem here in a few minutes. We don't mind if you go ahead and order another one. Watch him down there. I think that hook popped in the back of the head. It's going to come loose. Hook onto the truck if I could, I just don't have enough space to do it.
Yeah, I'll let them know.
And it's, I mean, I would just, it ain't gonna come out, but I would just feel better if y'all did that. Get tapped and come back. Where do you want to hook out at?
We can just do it on that little cat eye right there.
Where that other one is?
Right above at 6, in between the L and the 6 there. Tim. Yeah, don't forget your camera. How do you like those GoPros?
I like them. I like the 13 pretty good.
Right.
Yeah, I had a 10. I think it was 10.
Yeah, we had the Hero, whatever that
Yeah, I had the Hero Black, the number 10.
Yeah.
Which is which is one under this one that I bought. I think it was cool. It would lock up on me all the time.
Yeah, ours would it just used too much space. Couldn't get SD cards big enough for it.
Oh really?
Yeah, it would fill up the SD